tell me the background story on how you became of building the garden.
Well, I love gardening, and I was hanging out in New Orleans saying how I wish I could have a garden down here. And a young man introduced me to a lady who had a garden across from the Tremay Center. And then I started running the garden for her. And then I started getting my own garden. This garden is my fourth garden I've had here in Tremay. So I love gardening. I like to grow everything I eat, and I like to feed the community because you don't have no good vegetables here. So I wanted to make sure if somebody wanted something good to eat, they'd come by my garden and get it from me. So I feed a lot of the community. I do community feedings, homeless feedings, and everything I grow, I eat myself, and whatever I have left, I give it to the community.
Can you talk about the events that you normally do?
The what now?
The events?
The events I do, I have movie nights. I had Halloween out here. I do Self-Love Sunday with yoga, massages, and meditation. And then I have jazz in the garden, have live entertainment. So it's all free for the community. Live in the community, everything is free.